This is Tiny Improvements. I'm Mike Bifulco. There's a difference between the skills needed to write code and those needed to lead a successful business. Many people get into tech because they want to build a startup and change the world, but as I've learned through my own journey, the skills needed to write code are not the same as those needed to build a successful business. The secret sauce is not taught in computer science programs or at boot camps. This gap is significant, especially for those who don't just dream of joining a tech giant, but rather want to be a trailblazer and aspire to be a founder of the next big thing. A fundamental skill of building a product involves continuous evolution of product strategy. This is where feedback, analytics, and iteration become invaluable. It's more than just building once. It's building, marketing, testing, learning from real feedback, and adapting. They're all critical ingredients. In my journey with Craftwork, for instance, the process of constantly tweaking and improving our product based on customer data has been crucial. It's a cycle of iteration that helps functional products become great ones. A critical aspect of this iterative process is measurement. Understanding what to measure and setting realistic goals and metrics are foundational to any business's success. It goes past trusting your gut. It's also about making informed changes. At Craftwork, we've seen over and over that honest and realistic measurement of the right metrics is key. This approach helps us not only in refining our product, but also in steering the business effectively. It's a practice of self-honesty that transforms insight into actionable steps towards improvement. This involves acknowledging what's working and, more importantly, what isn't working. As I've built out my work with my personal site, I do my best to apply these same principles of measurement, honesty, and self-reflection. Regularly evaluating my creation and engagement strategies has been a journey. I do my best to regularly take an objective look at what resonates and what falls flat, and make informed decisions from there. This process, though sometimes daunting, is incredibly rewarding as it leads to a deeper understanding of my audience and hopefully a more impactful online presence. Whether you're developing a product, building a business, or working on something else, I encourage you to constantly question, measure, and refine. So take this challenge, measure your work, ask the hard questions, and be ready to change. We're all somewhere between the before picture and the after picture. The key is to keep moving forward.